Swathi, how are you?
Hi, sir. Good. Just fueling up for the day.
Do you remember we have 10 questions for you today?
Obviously, I just see the camera in front.
So, who is Swathi?
Well, I'm a wife, mother, a passionate person. On the other side, I work on front-end technologies, the UI stuff for the web applications, and other normal things.
So Swathi, for how long you have been with Visual Components?
It's been like 2 years for now.
How has it been with VC?
It's a very great journey, and I have a very good work-life balance. And the team here I work with are very good. They are very open for any discussions and ready to help. And it's very good to work with the team like this.
What company values resonate with you the most and why?
I feel like all the values, but the most would be the powered by passion, where if I try to achieve something, I'll be so passionate about it and I'll try to achieve that, and after getting that I don't stop and again I'll go for the other thing.
How long have you been in Helsinki?
It's almost 5 years now.
Which place you think everyone should visit?
Mostly I like to be close to the nature, so we almost explore all the places which are like scenic and full of water and the trees. And one of the best place which I would suggest is the Transkanda Park, which used to be kind of a Queen's Palace there, and it has a very good walking trail and the water flow. It's very good actually, you will enjoy it.
What is your favorite food?
I mostly like South Indian cuisine, and one of my most favorite would be the Hyderabadi Nawab biryani, which has a lot of flavors in it, spices, rice, chicken, and or any meat we can add in it, and it is so yummy. I say you should try it.
What is the most enjoyable part of your job?
I mostly like every part of my job. It's kind of challenging. It's like the way I work on my day-to-day task. It is very exciting to take any task that I work and to keep it like maintaining the standards and every challenging and completing it. I feel it more relaxed after I complete a single challenge. So it will be like an enjoyable moment for me every time.
What is the most challenging part of your job?
My everyday work is quite challenging, and that too I work from home. Now with summer vacation, having kids at home is very challenging. And I also need to maintain track of my sprint timelines, which is very challenging part of my day.
Last question, Swathi. So, are you excited for the hybrid back to office breakfast meetings?
Yes, a lot, because it's been more than a year that we had this breakfast meeting, and now going to meet all the team. I'm so excited for it.
Thank you so much, Swathi, for your time, and it was so lovely meeting you. Bye bye.
Thank you for having me. Bye.